Ein Apfel.
Yeah. Hi.
So bad.
Wala ko makain sila. Cute. Yeah. Guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, share, and
Subscribe.
Bye. God bless.
Greetings from Germany.
Greetings from Germany, from Bosco Island, Bosco to... Oh! Hey!
Der macht das schon.
Hello guys! Welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Cagas. Guys, good morning and good afternoon, good evening kung anong oras po kayo nanood ngayon sa vlog ko po. Maraming salamat at andito kayo while nag-notify siya ay nanood kayo agad-agad. So, kasama ko po si Joey and Cookie. Cookie, come here. Come here. Here. Cookie, come here. Hierhin.
Hier ist das Kommando.
Hierhin. So. Ay, Cookie is like Andy. Cookie is a girl. I'm not a girl. Not yet a woman. Buvars do? Si Cookie po ay galing po siya sa Hundeschule or ano ba yung Hundeschule? Malis na siya. Bye-bye, Cookie. Wala ka sa buhay mo dyan. Hundeschule is like pet dog school. Nag-train po siya today. Buti pa si Cookie. So, kasama si Joey dito. Pupunta siya ngayon sa city kasi mag-einkaufen. No, Joey? Ja, ich komme gleich. So, maayong buntag. Tumawag po ang aking parents ngayon. Bago lang. Si Uwe, tumawag siya. Si Dad Uwe. Kasi pupunta sila ng Cologne. Doon sila overnight din. So, tomorrow sila babalik. Kasama nila si Andy, kasi Egbert, kasi kuha sila doon sa condo, doon sa Cologne ng kuha doon mga post, check nila, then, tapos parang sabi nila may nasira na konti doon sa condo, so kailangan nilang tingnan kung ano yun para ano na siya, yun. So, hi! So ngayon, tumawag sila, then, after that, tumawag din yung ate ko sa Pilipinas, si Ate Leslie. She called me, and my parents called me, my sister called me because she missed me.
Yeah, and do you know what Uwe said to you?
Where are you going now?
I go to the supermarket because I need to buy something for us. Because my freezer is empty.
My what?
Prisoner?
Prisoner?
Kühlschrank.
Refrigerator.
Prisoner is easier.
Okay, then.
Call it so. Enjoy this day today. Oh, and we need to clean my garden because we have a big party next week. Don't miss out.
Me
Please
also?
subscribe.
Me also.
Yeah, you can come. It's okay.
Joey told me, Oliver, please make vlog. Okay, then I will make vlog for you. What is that?
Make vlog.
Unboxing.
Amazon was here.
Ah, that was Amazon. I thought it was your mom.
No. And I bought.
Wait, what? Okay. Do you remember that I make a collaboration with this file organizer folders using my code 1OliverC? Yeah.
And I used the code and
And then if you use my code, you can get a discount. He saw my vlog and now he bought it.
It's not expensive, 15 euros.
Yeah, and it's useful, no? Because you have a lot of documents, right?
Yeah.
But why did you buy it? What comes to your mind that you want to buy it also?
Yeah, I saw on your vlog and I can
I am what?
yeah, I can use it. It's helpful. Wow.
Wow, how colorful.
Wow.
So,
Come with me.
what is that all about?
Come with me.
Come with me.
I will make those. Now, Ollie,
Yeah.
here are documents. And you have a task now.
Yeah.
You have a task now.
So, put it there.
These are my documents from this year. and I will use it for this.
Wow, it's useful, no? Because getting bigger and it's growing, but still it's
But this
organized.
is not an advertisement video. I just want to show you
That
I
you
used
bought.
your code, and yeah, I think it's helpful. But now it's gonna be here, and I will do this next weekend or a few weekends.
Wow.
Very helpful. Thank you for your code and offering. So now I need to go in the supermarket.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Kanina pa ako dito naglilinis. Ayan, hindi pa ako tapos. Ano pa ako dito kasi maraming dumidikit na tawag nito yung mga dumikit na pang 1-year-old. Alam mo naman sa atin, di ba, mga tayo, mga Pinoy, mga kugihan, dyan tayo, magpaglimpyo-limpyo. Kapag maglinis-linisan talaga natin na hindi wala natin makita mga bulingit-bulingit, mga ano pa dyan, nakakaano na kahit kunting maliit yan, kukunin talaga natin, no, para, ano ba, hindi na siya magdikit, para hindi siya magiging stain. So, ngayon, yan. Linisan ko pa dyan, ito niya, oh. Ano pa yan, basa-basa pa yan, yung ano niya, para man ako may bahay. Kung makapaglinis ko dito, para ako may bahay. Sabi ko kasi, mag-grocery ka doon, ako na bahala sa kitchen mo, para linisan ko yan. Yan, oh. Yung kaldero na may itim-itim na, good. Ganito naman talaga tayo kagaya sa mga Pinoy, no? Na kapag best in cleaner. Best in cleaner. Guys, tingnan niyo po ang kanilang chicken. I want to make adobo now.
Ah, ich will mal was kriegen.
Adobo.
Ich will mal was kriegen.
Adobo. Chicken, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hala, ano na, 8 na ka chicken. May bago na talaga silang chicken, no? Yung dati, nung pumunta ko dito, ano lang to? 5 lang ata. Ngayon, 8 na. Buti ito mga chicken na to, oh. Hayahay sa buhay. Pero ito ba, spotted? Oh, sarap itong adobohin. Sarap ito. Ito, sarap adobohin ito. Nag-iisang chicken na yan. Sabi ko talaga. Uy, Cookie! Uy, si Cookie. Ginana si Cookie sa kwa, oy. Cookie ba? You like here? Cookie. Come here. Cookie. Come here. Hey. Uy. Hala, Cookie. La 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 la. Cookie. La, oy, na-miss ko man tuloy si Andy, oy. Makita ko ng aso ba? Ma-miss ko si Anding. Cookie, I have a dog also. Maglinis na kami dito ka, guys. Ito, oh. Linisan namin to dito kasi po si Joey ba nag-organize ng grill party next week. So kailangan linisan to kasi ngayon lang may time. So kaya ko dinala ni Joey dito para magtulong. Ganoon talaga sa friends, tulungan. Dito daw mag-party kasi mas maluwag-luwag dito. Marami kasi ding magpunta-punta. Dito talaga kain, no? Katulad, linisan to dito. Ayan. Uy. Cookie. Uy. May apple, oh. Uy. Ito apple kagay, oh. Guys. Apple. Hawak kamay ko na yung apple, oh. Hawak kamay. Skip kay electric hairstrom. Doon. Gusto ko na siyang kunin.
Kein Pferdestall.
Ja, aber hier, guck mal. Oy, magnanakaw.
Ich will den Apfel. Mal gucken, ob er dir schmeckt. Du fragst ja jetzt zum 3. Mal.
Ja?
Hier der.
Yeah, but I want to pick for myself. Can I try one? Uy, ang manok.
Try one.
Adobo. Uy, ito lutong-lutong, oh. Oh, yeah, come on. Yeah, ang laki. Your apple is big. Your apple is big.
Ein Apfel.
Yeah.
Hm.
Can I try?
Yeah, try. It's not tasty. Mm.
It's tasty.
Lüg
I
nicht.
like it.
Don't lie. Give me.
Baca.
Oh. You lied.
Nee.
So bitter.
Nee.
That's eklig.
Where's my apple?
Bitter.
Nee. Lecker. Turkas essen, alles gut.
Aha.
Tapos noch eins. Kuha ko na isa kagad kasi masarap pala itong apple na yun. Ito oh. Ito parang mamorge to oh. Ay, pangit. Pangit man. Ito lang dito na area ang masarap. Tingnan. Diba? Alis na tayo kasi nakaw na tayo ng apple. Sarado natin to. Baka awayin ni Cookie yung mga manok. Ito. Hindi nahugasan pero sige na lang. Migraine nga may
Happening, Ali.
migraine nga may red kunti. Kung sa Bisaya pa to, balbangaan. Balbangaan.
Good German apple.
It's like guava. Bayabas ba?
But bitter, no? Not sweet.
I love to eat apple with salt. Joey ka guys oh. Pakakainin niya ang what is that?
Your breakfast.
Okay. But I'm not a chicken.
Really? Feeding time.
Feeding. The chicken knows about it, no? They are smart. They know that you will give food. That's why they come here. Look guys. Wait, Joey. Joey. Cookie.
Willst du rein oder raus?
Nee, ich bin hier.
Ja, komm rein.
Alles gut.
Sonst hast du das Gitter.
Wow.
So, Feeding time.
Mga apple oh. Wow, Cookie's watching. Kabis man no, parang bukid ba, parang sa farm natin sa Pilipinas no na marami tayong chicken sa yung kasi namin, bahay namin, marami kaming chicken. Tapos pinapalaki namin ng chicken tapos Bisaya ba? Tapos after no, pag malaki na, tinula namin. Tinulang manok na ang nangyari. Pero minsan, meron kaming mga manok na hindi namin, pag malaki na, hindi namin kinakain, hindi namin niluluto kasi gusto namin na paramihin, mag-itlog.
Two baby chicken don't get anything.
Why?
It's so bad.
They're so bad.
It is.
Wow. I love to see them. They eating the apple. So kagas, marami silang palaume dito. Meron silang tawag nito, yung tawag nito ay yung grapes. Kukunin natin. Hinog na. Wow, hinog na hinog. Ayan oh. Hindi ko man abot. Wait lang, agway. Kakalas og height. Agway, wait lang. Kakalas og height. Ako din ako ng isa. Isa oh. Ito na ako oh, napisat. Napisat tuloy. Ito lang pala, oy. Pero pala itong ano lang. Tawag nito. Ano, malayo. Pero maano lang siya. Maraming seeds. Maraming to grapes. Ginagawa siya na wine. Kasi maliliit at saka maraming mga may seeds. Rain harvest na daw to. May lang grapes ito. Ito. Green ang kulay. Ito may phloem. Ito oh. May bunga. Ito oh. Hindi siya violet, kulay yellow siya. Ito may isa oh. Kunin na natin itong isa na to oh. Ito. Wow. Very raw to. Nakainin natin, walang hugas-hugas. Pero careful tayo no, kasi baka maraming insects and then sa tiyan natin. Mas max to da.
Später mit dem kleinen Baby, der Baby-Chicken hat time to eat.
Oh,
Right now. But they can eat without stress.
without step. Wow, yung mga kaninsya nila, okay, makain sila. Ang cute. Mga rabbits na inalagaan. Ito yung itong parents kasi ni Joey, maraming mga ano, ito may farm ba? Dito na sa garden nila. Tapos ito yung mga ano nila, yung pagkabisihan niya kapag after work ng papa niya or mama. Ito pagkabisihan nila. Tsaka weekend kasi walang trabaho sa weekend. So, ito din ang pinapakain na itong ano. Tapos minsan nila, kinakain nila ito minsan. Tsaka binibinta. Or sinasali sa exhibition. Palagi nanalo yung papa niya nito. Ma-first owner talaga. Tapos kapag manalo, may pera. Yan, wala, kumakain siyang cute. Cute naman ito. Tapos mayroon pa doon. Marami yan guys. Ano siya, nakaano yan dyan lahat. Long cute ito, kumakain siya. Tingnan mo. Ang cute, oy. Very, very cute. Kumakain siya. Ito. Uy! What is that? You have a sport. Outdoor sport.
Immer aus der Hüfte.
Outdoor sport.
Ich weiß nicht wohin damit. Knees, so, and then you can put it. Don't make this, do this.
Do this. Wow! Sport. Your sport.
Finish.
It's so...
What's wrong? This is your back. Back is so. What's wrong?
Let's go here.
Make this your back.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard.
Naglilinis si Joey, tapos si Cookie naman. Umalis na siya. Tinawag na siya. Si Joey na siya. Yeah. Dito po kami mag-grill and party-party. Music on. Clean service. Auf der Ecke, da. Andere Seite, der Ecke. Yeah. Nokma.
You make black?
Yeah. Nokma. Tansen. Oh, Joey. Car wash. Birok, no? Hey!
Ah. It's clean. Wet.
And the water comes from the rain, no? This water, you save this water and now you use it.
Yeah, we have enough here in Germany with water.
You have enough water from the rain, from the heaven, from the clouds.
Right.
Earlier,
Hi, vlog.
your father was here, and then he said, "Okay, I need to be careful because the camera of Oliver is there." Magluluto po tayo. Ang layo ng camera. The camera is so far. Okay. So, at this moment of time, nagluluto ako ng munggos. So, ang munggos ay parang, sa tawag nito, gipalata. Nagsaing ako dito sa bahay. Kapag bumisita si Joey, nilutuan ko siya. Kapag ako nang bisita dito, nilutuan ko pa rin siya. Unending. Pang vegan. Chicken ilagay ko ay vegan chicken. Hindi yung normal na chicken na luluto natin sa munggos. Kasi gusto ko magsabaw ngayon. I love to eat sabaw. Initin pa na to. Where is the pak choy? Pak choy.
Achso, im Kühlschrank, ja.
Yeah. So ngayon, nagsayo tayo kasi gutom na talaga ako eh. Tapos na din kami naglinis doon sa labas ng nila, doon sa grilling ba, kung saan siya magpa-party next week. Oo. Chicken. Ito ay hindi pa to na marinate, walang force, wala ingredients, yung normal lang. Kasi kapag yung ito. Kasi kapag ilagay ko yung na marinate, pangit ang lasa na nito. Kailangan normal lang talaga. So this is the munggo, lata na siya, oh. Lata na 'yan. Yung rice natin. At yung Joey natin here, the Joey.
I don't have views on my last YouTube video.
What? Always reclamation. Complaining.
I'm happy because I have 2,000 subscribers.
Yay! Lagay ko na itong munggos. Joey, help me now. Help me. Oh my God. Kasi lang siya. Oh yeah, basa. Nein, nicht spielen. So Joey wants to try now.
Blubbelt ja noch.
Ja, probier mal. Das ist so heiß, no? Muss ein bisschen.
Vegan.
Mm.
What's the name of these dishes?
Vegan Mungo. Mungo vegan. Oh.
Oh, lecker.
Yeah, no? It's yummy.
More, please.
So we can eat now.
Yeah.
Please prepare. I will put it now. Please prepare your. Hey, was machst du da? Plates. Can you put this? Please. There? Yeah. This. Put everything. Thank you. Do you have? Okay. Okay. So we can eat now. I need to turn off
Ja,
the fan.
wir können meinen Eltern auch ein bisschen was davon geben, oder?
Yeah, you can give your parents this one so they can try. They can try my mungo. Yeah. So super Gutom ko. Maubos ko talaga to. Ito. Pero dalawa man kami ni Joey. Hindi natin ubusin yan kasi para wala tayong respeto ko ubusin natin. Sarado lang natin to kasi luto naman yan. Wow. Wow, dang pa. You told me before, if you cook rice, what happened in the rice?
You can see my answer in my vlog.
Overcooked. And now if I cook rice,
It's perfect. It's not overcooked.
because I am Filipino, I know how to cook rice
Rice.
perfectly.
And since I know you, I so often eat rice, it's not normal.
For the rice.
Thank you for everything.
Do you have vinegar?
What's that?
Essig?
Apfelessig, ja, hier.
Ach so, ja, gleich.
Aber I don't like it.
Okay, try it now. Wow. Hindi siya maartika guys. Akain talaga yan. Yan, I told you it's hot.
Vater unser Herr, du bist im Himmel, geheiligt werde dein Name, dein Reich komme, dein Wille geschehe, wie im Himmel so auf Erden.
Don't play. If someone is praying, don't play.
Das ist das deutsche Gebet.
Ach so.
Ang sarap.
Guys, yung papa ni Joey ay pumunta dito kanina. Ay dito kasi po ang toilet ni Joey ay nasira. So ngayon, nire-repair ng papa niya. So ngayon, sinira yan yung dito. Hindi pa to tapos. Sisirain pa niya dyan para palitan ng bago at saka i-renovate nga. So ngayon, Joey, explain it.
Yeah, we had a problem with the water. The water is
Cookie o dabas?
cookie. We had water in the walls, so we needed to protect this. And my father destroyed all. Then our personal stuff can repair this at Monday.
Where? Who? On Monday? The people who will repair this?
Yeah,
Ach so.
professional workers.
Warum die Leute machen das nicht kaputt? Warum dein Vater?
Yeah, my father can do this, so it's more cheap. For
Ah,
us.
cheaper, okay.
Yeah, cheaper.
Okay.
Because they would be 2 hours, and it's 40 euro.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, and now I need to clean this here. Then you can
Make a vlog.
wash yourself.
So because after you there, I'm going to take a shower and we're gonna watch movie, horror. But if I see you, I can see horror.
Don't. Please subscribe, or I will come to you.
Oh, guys, is that a threat? Do you want my help?
No, you're not helpful.
Wow, thank you for that. But you are very, very, very.
Nice. Ja, jetzt Kamera aus, bitte.
But you are very good person.
Oh, thank you.
Just today. Akso. Katapos ko lang pumaligo. Tsaka dito ang kate. Wait lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Nakita niyo ba ang kate? Ayan yung may burot-burot kunti dyan. Merong, ayan. Tsaka dun sa kabila. Ayan. Ito pala ito. Red no ito. Red no. Super red. Ayan Red. Ito. Nakita niyo ba? Kasi kapag manalamin ako, super red. Tapos ko na pumaligo. Kasi po, di ba, kung naalala nyo po, meron akong allergy sa dust or abug. So, Bisaya pa. Dust naman sa English. So, kung ano man sa Tagalog niyan, kayo na po bahala kung paano yan. Alikabok sa Tagalog. Di ba, sabi ko sa inyo na kanina, yung papa ni Joey ay ano dyan, di ba, sa toilet nila, yung, parang ganun ba, di ba, may dust siya, alikabok, di ba, yung mga maliit-liit na ano. Tapos ngayon, si Joey, di ba, nag-vlog ko na doon. Yung niligpit ni Joey yung mga kinuha. Tapos after that, yung hindi na ako nag-vlog, tinulungan ko po si Joey doon. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya kung kailangan niya ng tulong, sabi niya hindi. So after that, kailangan niya pala ng tulong. At saka yung kinuha niya, nilagay niya doon, tinapin namin doon sa basurahan. So bitbit kami yung dust, paano sa akin. And after that, kung makati na siya, nag-i-edit ako si Joey ngayon, kung nahanap yung nag-i-edit siya. Ako din nag-i-edit ako kanina, medyo sa part 1, tapos na ako. Tapos, konti na lang, matapos na siya para may pang-upload ako tomorrow. Yes. So doon, kumakati na talaga dito sa ano ko. Hanggang ngayon na, naligo ako. Kumakati siya sa pagkaligo ko. Sa akila ko, normal lang. So, makati pa rin siya dito, oh. Dito din. Makati talaga siya ka, guys. Naalala ko nung, di ba, nagpa-check up ako doon sa amin, sa Enterbrook, na meron akong allergy sa pollen, allergy sa medyo sa buhok ng aso, or sa animals, at saka sa alikabok din. So, ito. Kasi si Cookie, nandito si Cookie kahapon, nag-aroon kami, wala naman akong buhok kay Cookie na allergy ako na Makati, wala naman. Pero sa alikabok, grabe, Makati talaga. Itong dito ko Makati. So, sabi ko kay Joey nga, Joey, Makati yung dito ko. Sabi niya, paano, bakit yan? Nag-shining talaga dito yung aking gagay. So, grabe naman yung mukha ko dito. Shining na, naligo lang naman ako, wala akong nilagay sa mukha. So, pag-ipit ko to para may space for new rent.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
Ko to ngayon para bukas, wala nang hugasan si Joey. Ganun ako kabait na kaibigan. Kaya, treasure me. Treasure me. Treasure niya talaga ako. Baka sabihin niyo ba na, ala, Oliver, dami ba na ang blessings na nagtatanggap? Ano ka na? Ganyan ka na ngayon. Pero, ikaw pa naghugas dyan. Wala kasi hindi na, ano ka guys. Ay, wala mang na naki-change. Kung ano man nakilala niyo ako sa dati, yun pa rin ako ngayon. Uy, kahit German na ako. Kasi may nagko-comment ba, La Oliver, kahit marami ka ng blessings na dumadating, German ka na, do, na ano ko yun, appreciate ko yun. Gusto ko rin yung comment na yun. So, sabi pa rin, pero hindi ka pa rin nagbabago sa friends mo, yun pa rin kung ano ka dati, yun pa rin yung pinapakita mo ngayon, hindi ka nagbabago. Na-appreciate ko yun ba, kasi may na-compliment ba, na-appreciate yung mga, gano'n na nangyari sa buhay ko, na-appreciate nila yung mga doings ko, alam mo yun? So, sabi ko, wala mang magbabago pa rin. Oy, kung ano man kilala nyo sa akin before, yun pa rin ako until now. Oo. Pilido lang yung nagbabago ko, pero yung character ko, hindi yun, ay. May nagsabi nga, stay humble, always put your feet in the ground, not to the sky. Not in the sky or to the sky. You choose. So, this is the behind the scene on how he edited his vlogs. Yeah.
3 hours, 5 seconds.
5 seconds? Still 5 seconds?
Yeah. I don't have a solution for my problem.
Why?
But I give up, I think.
Then don't make 360.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
Okay. Wow. What app you are using?
Huh?
What app?
Filmora.
Okay.
You know it.
You can do it. I believe in you. I am going to end this vlog. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin today. Please don't forget to like, no?
To like, to share.
Share, to subscribe.
Yeah.
Look at my face there. Oh, shining armor. Shining armor.
And
Okay.
it's better with your allergy now?
No, still ache. Still.
Oh.
Red. So, stay safe. God bless us all. This has been Oliver Cagas and Joey.
Running off.
Cheers.
Ciao.
Cheers.